Hi, in front of me Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable showing of battery percentage or how to disable battery percentage. In order to enable or disable battery percentage and open settings, then scroll down and find here notification and control center. Here scroll down to status bar, and here you will see battery indicator option. By clicking on it, you can set the type of battery indicator. You can enable percentage inside the battery icon, outside the battery icon, or you can disable percentage of battery icon. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.